Hi, Lee Phillips here. I want to talk to you for a minute because a lot of people are pretty down in the mouth, so to speak. They did not get the PPP, the Paycheck Protection Program money. You might be better off. You may be the winner if you didn't get the PPP. I need to talk to you about the employee retention credits that are also in the CARES Act. That's the act that Trump signed on February 27th. The PPP's there. The EIDL loans are there, the small business loans from the SBA, and these employee retention credits. The employee retention credits nobody's talking about because it's not immediate money. I gotta have my money now. Well, these are tax credits that you get over the year 2020. And it's pretty cool, guys, because you're going to be able to maybe make more money than you did on the PPP. What you do is you qualify, and you qualify under basically two tests. One is, have the government regulations, the restrictions associated with COVID-19, have they impacted your commerce, your ability to do business, your group meetings, these sorts of things. Now that's not a standard disaster declaration by the federal government. Has your business actually been restricted in some way? That's one. Or you can qualify if your business has dropped 50% in income versus the same quarter in 2019. If you have dropped 50%, then you also qualify. So two qualifications, one under government shutdown, we basically shut you down somehow, or two, your actual income has dropped by more than 50%. If you qualify under one of those two, then the money that you pay your employees, you get a tax credit up to $5,000 for their wages. That credit will be used by you and your little business as a credit to pay the employment taxes. Now, if you've got more credit than you're actually paying employment taxes, then you can actually apply to the IRS and they will send you money immediately. So it's not a bad deal, guys. There are lots of rules. If you're over 100 employees, you got a problem. One set of rules, well, you don't have a problem. You have one set of rules. If you're under 100 employees, you got another set of rules. When does the period where I pay my employees start and where does it end? That depends upon how much your income's down compared to the same period in 2019. This runs all through 2020. Runs till December 31st, 2020, and at midnight. So wages that you pay during that period, if you qualify, are giving you a tax credit. And the tax credits can add up. We've done a lot of calculations in the office. We've actually become really pretty good experts on this coronavirus legislation, the CARES Acts, the Family First Acts, all of these acts. And they're designed to help a small business get over this difficult economic time. But the small business has got to take advantage of them. I have developed a CERT program. We call it CERT, is Coronavirus Economic Relief Tutorial. A lot of people have taken advantage of it. They've said, man, if we hadn't had that, we wouldn't have gotten the PPP. And a lot of people still didn't get the PPP. But we can do the tax credits for them if they continue to pay the employees. So all is not lost if you don't have the PPP. Send me an email, info@legalease.com, info@legalease, legalees.com. Legalese is my company. I've been doing how-to courses for the last 40 years. How to do your own wills and trusts and LLCs and corporations, and how to do your own tax planning, how to do all of this stuff. That's what I've done. Now I'm doing how to get over the coronavirus problem, and it's a pain in the butt. I'll give it to you guys, and a lot of small businesses aren't going to make it. But anything that you can do to use the law to help you get over this crisis will be a big deal. Email me, like I said, and I will send you a list of references that you can go look up more information on this employee retention credits. Or you can get the CERT program and I can help you. We have a new version of the CERT program, so don't forget to check that out, okay? Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? So this is Lee Phillips. Let's get through this, and don't forget the tax credits, because they can be a big deal.